Example number 1. If I have x equals to 1 plus 6 times 2, when you take the print of x, you will get 13. How? Look, this expression has only two arithmetic operators, addition and multiplication. Because we are only talking about the addition and multiplication operators, so we have only used addition and multiplication operators. So within these two, which has the highest precedence? Obviously, multiplication has the highest precedence. We need to solve first the multiplication part, and then we need to solve this addition part, because remember, multiplication has the highest precedence. It has the third highest precedence, where addition has the fifth highest precedence. So multiplication comes first and then addition here. 6 times 2 will be 12. So first solve the multiplication operator part, which is this one. 6 times 2 is 12. And then play with the addition operator. 12 plus 1 will be 13. Therefore, print of x will return 13 in the final output. This x is the variable. It is the name of the variable with this information, with this whole information. We give the name x here. So when you take the print of x, you will get 13 in the final answer, because 6 times 2 will be 12, and then 12 plus 1 will be 13. I repeat it. Multiplication has the highest precedence compared to the addition. So first play with the multiplication part and then the addition part. You cannot say that 1 plus 6 will be 7 and 7 times 2 will be 14. No. First play with the multiplication part, and then in the second stage play with the addition. That's how arithmetic precedence work. I hope you got the point now.